about the corruption in judiciary alleged. How do you see that?
I feel it's a very serious matter because if you see the position as a whole, you will see that judiciary has been isolated and has been mentioned as only one body where there is some corruption. We are talking about the education system where children at the age of 13 and 14 are being apprised of or educated about corruption in our society. I don't say that there is no corruption. We know that corruption is very, very rampant today in our country, and I would say in all the aspects of life, in all the departments in the country. Why do you isolate only one body, constitutional body? Because, you know, there are three pillars of the constitution in our country. They have to work independently. There has to be an autonomy. Judiciary is one, executive is the other, and the legislature. But this kind of exercise, which is done in the textbook, where millions and millions of students will be taught, you know, they all will be told about this particular chapter. So I feel it is not in good taste, number one. I agree with the Honorable Chief Justice of India who said that it's a calculated conspiracy. It is, because no text is approved overnight. The text is approved by way of a procedure which is given in their system. The system is that there should be, a body which will decide how the text has to be prepared. Who has cleared it? Who has offered it? There should be a, proper inquiry which should be conducted in this case.
Can we hold it?
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.